Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the captions on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Click to the settings and privacy option and go to the your app and media section. Here you can find the second option, the accessibility, and click to the first option, the captions. Here you can turn on the captions and you can select the language of the captions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.